What did you put on this chicken, Corey?
A little bit of everything, some herbs, some spices, a little bit of buffalo sauce, a little bit of olive oil, a little special blend. Just cooking it for breakfast tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'll throw some eggs in with it.
So you got buffalo sauce, you got garlic salt.
There's definitely some garlic salt.
What do you got in this little pan here?
It's just some other slices cooking before they throw this one in there.
You put it in just water with spray butter?
A little bit of water, a little bit of spray butter, just so it doesn't stick to the pan.
Yeah, you gotta get back in shape. You gotta eat healthy too. You gotta know how to cook. You can't just be eating out all the time, spending that money.
Oh shit.
Oh, no shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Look at that. This man knows how to cook. Cooks for his fam. Look at this guy. Family man.
Gotta get it. Use a little bit of water just so that the chicken stays moist. Comes out a lot better, a lot juicier.
It's only been cooking it for about a minute and a half before I started recording, so simple, easy solutions in about 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's probably only takes 15 minutes to cook. 3 big chicken breasts. You can get probably a full day's meal out of these 3 chicken breasts in 15 minutes.
Instead of having to spend like lots of
$30 on a meal.
every time you go. There you go.
You got a rice cooker. I usually got the rice cooker going. You got a rice cooker, you just throw the rice in there. Set it at a medium to high heat. Just let it go. Make sure you got a top. The top helps it cook all the way around. This isn't made for this, but it works.